Okay, in this video, we're going to look at one of the most exciting features of the Pro version. And if we come over here to this left side menu, we're going to come down here to Manage Clients. Now, when I click this, let me explain what this tab is doing. What this tab is doing is it is simply storing your clients. So if I look up at the top here, I can go ahead and put in a first name, a last name, an email address, and then I can go ahead and assign a password and confirm that password for that specific user. Also, there's a place where I can upload a logo, and the preferred size needs to be 225 pixels by 45 pixels. The reason why we're doing that is because we are protecting you so that you don't lose a client. You see, we never want your client to see this logo right here, and we never want them to see this URL. Otherwise, why would they pay you that premium service every single month to be one of your clients? They would simply go buy the software and they would do exactly what you're doing. Now, once you add that client, once you submit that client is going to appear down here. And obviously, you can come over here and you can go ahead and check these existing clients. You can delete them if you choose to do so. Here we have the first name, the last name, the email address. You can see that the status is set to active right now, but we can go ahead and change that to inactive. Then we have the date it was created. And if we click this button here, we can go ahead and edit this existing client. We can edit every part about this client. Also, here is the link that you are going to give to your client. Notice they do not see socialdirectory.io and they should not see this logo whatsoever. Now, once you do that, all that's going to do is just going to store the client. But what we need to do now is we need to take that existing client and give them access to a directory. So I'm going to come over here to the dashboard, and you see here are the directories I have inside of this panel. If I come over here to the far right, you'll see that we have this new button that says Add Clients. So if I want to give Billy Bob access to this campaign right here, which is in this row here for the Casper Business Directory, I'll go ahead and click this button, and now I can go ahead and add a client right here on the fly. I can go ahead and put in a logo just like I discussed, or we can come over here to this drop down and we have the clients that I just showed you inside the Manage Clients tab. They are now inside of this menu. Also, here's the link that we're going to go and give to our client. This is the same link I just showed you a minute ago. Now, it's very important for you to understand what you're giving as far as access. As soon as I select this here and I click Give Access, Billy Bob now has access to the Casper Business Directory, and that's it. He can't see anything else here on the page. Even though you can, all he can see is the Casper Business Directory, but he can see everything that is tied to that directory. So he can see the subscribers, he can see the statistics, he can see the inquiries, he can see everything that you can see with the Casper Business Directory only. And if we want him to have access to all of these directories, well, we can simply come over here and just click on these buttons and we can give him access. So that's exactly how the Manage Client feature works. So think in terms of your outsourcers and your clients and think how you can manage this, because it's a very powerful strategy. And a lot of people have actually asked us if we recommend charging their clients for access to the directory and for them to be able to manage their own campaigns. And absolutely, without a doubt, we're going to tell you, charge your client every chance you get.